Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you what I bought from Nykaa Black Friday sale. I know this video is very late, but I really wanted to show you that I bought this Glam Glow Essentials kit, which is a small kit including these three things, small cubes, and these two I have got the sample with them. Basically this is, I think, the super mud mask, and the second product is also the mask, which is for the brightening treatment, and the third one is the moisturizer, which is illuminating moisturizer. So I have got this kit for rupees 1600. Yeah, this is very cute little kit, and the sample product which I have got is this Insta Mud pore refining treatment, and also this cute little size packaging for the same moisturizer. This is like 7 ml of product, and this is the Nude Glow moisturizer. So this is also 7 ml product which I have got with this kit. Now I will show you what is inside this. So yeah, this is the tube, which is of 15 gram. Super mud clearing treatment. Actually I have full size product in this, and this is very good for oily pore skin who have acne prone skin. Also you can use this. It is very good for refining the skin, and I think this is really a travel friendly product because we can carry it easily in our kit wherever we go. So yeah, this is the first thing, and this is the second, which is the moisturizer. This is again the 15 ml product. It just gives you a little illuminating effect on your face. You can use a simple moisturizer on your face, then apply this, or you can directly apply this on your skin. Then the third one is this brightening treatment tube, which is of 10 grams. So this basically product is not for oily skin. People with dry skin can use this because this product is quite creamy and it might clog the pores of the skin. So this is recommended for those who have dry skin and want to brighten the face. So yeah, this is the little Glam Glow kit which I bought, and these two samples which were free with this kit. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.